Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we are diving into the top 5 must-have WordPress plugins for beginners that will transform your website. Whether you're starting a blog, an online store, or a portfolio, these plugins will set you up for success. Let's jump right in. Our first must-have plugin is Yoast SEO. If you're looking to boost your site's visibility in search engine, Yoast is your go-to tool. To get started, you're gonna go to your WordPress dashboard and go to plugins, add new, and search for Yoast. Click install now and then activate. Once activated, you'll find settings in your dashboard menu. Okay, so we're gonna install Yoast. Okay, Yoast is installed. We're gonna activate it. You've successfully installed Yoast SEO. Yoast helps you optimize your content by offering meta descriptions, readability analysis, and SEO recommendations. It's perfect for beginners because it simplifies the SEO process and guides you through the best practices. Next up is Jetpack. This plugin is a powerhouse that offers security, performance enhancements, and site management tools all in one package. To install Jetpack, you're gonna go to the plugins area and write Jetpack. It should be the first one. After activation, you're gonna install and activate the plugin. After activation, you'll need to connect it to a WordPress.com account to unlock all its features. Now, Jetpack takes care of site backups, spam protection, and performance monitoring, so you don't need to manage multiple plugins for these tasks. It's a comprehensive solution that simplifies site management. Our third plugin is WP Forms. Every website needs a contact form, and WP Forms makes it incredibly easy to create one. To install WP Forms, search for it in the plugins area and click install now and then activate. You can access WP Forms under the WP Forms dashboard after you're done installing and activating it. Now, WP Forms offers a drag and drop builder that lets you create contact forms, surveys, and payment forms effortlessly. It's perfect for beginners who want a straightforward solution for building custom forms. Moving on, let's talk about WooCommerce. If you're planning to sell products or services online, WooCommerce is the most popular e-commerce plugin for WordPress. You're gonna go to your plugins area and search for WooCommerce. You're going to click install now and then activate. Now, WooCommerce will guide you through the setup wizard to configure your store's basic settings. WooCommerce provides all the tools you need to create and manage an online store, from product listing to payment gateways and shipping options. It's essential for anyone looking to start an e-commerce site. Last but not least, we have Elementor. This is a drag and drop page builder. Allows you to design custom pages, layouts without any coding knowledge. You're gonna install Elementor by searching it on the plugins area. After activation, you can start designing your pages by clicking edit with Elementor on any page or post. Elementor offers a user-friendly interface with a wide range of design options. It's perfect for beginners who want to create stunning custom pages easily. And there you have it, our top 5 must-have WordPress plugins for beginners. These tools will help you to optimize your site, manage it more efficiently, and create beautiful pages. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more WordPress tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or suggestions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.